now, my little one.
I want that one.
Whee! So much fun! Thank you for helping, sweetie.
These grapes look delicious.
Look at that! Enjoy your day at the park! Splash! Gotcha! Faster, Mom! Faster! Almost got it! Boom! We hit him! Come on, little bear! Say cheese, sweetie. Yummy. Don't get too messy. Almost. Just one more button. My special little helper. Higher. Higher. Look, Mom, new toys. Here you go. Go, Mom, go. Look what I found. Hold on tight. Don't worry, we'll help you. Look, Mom, a big one. Look, Mom. I caught a fish.
Hard work on the farm often means teamwork. Here we see how the whole family helps with the potato harvest.
These snails are hiding.
Shh, your friend is sleeping. Careful, sweetie, it's precious. Smells so good, Mom.
You've had a long day, little one. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.
The vibrant green fields stretched out as far as the eye could see, ready for harvest. The younger members joined in, carefully gathering the golden bounty.
Another bundle secured. This basket is finally full.
A moment to pause under the midday sun.
Even the hardest workers need their rest. As the day cooled, the senior cat celebrated the successful harvest with boundless energy.
The setting sun painted the fields in colors of accomplishment.
Time to wake up the little helper for the evening ride.
The journey home was slow and steady, carrying their harvest.
Safe and sound after a long day's work.
The next task, preparing refreshing drinks from the garden's bounty.
Perfectly tart and ready to serve.
A quiet moment indoors for the little one. A well-deserved refreshment after the day's agricultural tasks.
Processing the grains they harvested required precise machinery.
No wastage allowed. Every grain is collected.
Next up, preparing the juicy pomegranates for juicing.
Teamwork makes the washing go faster.
Extracting the precious seeds takes patience and dexterity.
With meticulous care, the Bengal and the Sphinx position their colorful straws into the vibrant pomegranate juice, ready to enjoy their refreshing beverage.
A successful creation deserves a celebratory toast. From farm work to fun days out, a well-earned break at the park.
Don't forget to join our fun adventures. Hit that subscribe button.
Back to the orchard to collect more fruit for their juice recipes.
Transporting the harvest is a group effort involving heavy machinery.
quick stop by the vegetable patch before heading back.
Saying goodbye to friends before the final delivery.
The pomegranates are on their way to processing.
Farm work is messy. Time for a serious cleanup session. The designated washer keeps everyone entertained.
A warm yellow towel for the little white kitten.
The kitchen cleanup continues, but with slightly cleaner paws this time.
Precise chopping for tonight's dinner ingredients.
The pomegranate drink is refined and ready for enjoyment. A moment of shared sweetness and success.
Time to take their refreshing juice out on the road.
Setting up their beverage stand in the bustling market.
Even chó and panda lớn stop by to sample the refreshments.
Crisis averted. Back to enjoying the fun.
They never forget their call to action, even while having fun.
It seems the pomegranate supply never runs low.
Hauling the load back through the dusty tracks.
A brief roadside break amidst the greens.
The team is back on the road, delivering the fruit.
This is the best harvest we've had in years.
I know, these pomegranates are so comfy.
Don't forget about me up here.
Despite the long day, bath time is mandatory for hygiene. Look at my bubble hat.
It's so silly. Watch out for the splash.
The yellow towel is reserved for the littlest one.
Back to the pomegranates, freshly scrubbed and ready for processing.
Preparing the ingredients for the evening's grill.
Juice time again, the perfect pairing for the savory meal preparation.
Delivering their specialized beverages via tricycle through the vibrant town.
The morning delivery service is running smoothly, ensuring every cup arrives safely.
Back at the market stall, perfecting the presentation.
Be very gentle with the sleeves.
I think I've got it now. It looks good, doesn't it?
Yes, perfect.
Ready for business. One last toast to teamwork.
Revisiting their favorite spot for some sugary fun.
Up we go!
This is so fun! I love the carousel.
For a bit more thrill, they hit the roller coaster.
Their message remains clear, even after the adrenaline rush. Harvesting the ruby jewels once more.
The paths are getting worse, but the tractors keep rolling.
Looks like the panda needs a tow.
All right, it's secure. Give it a steady pull now.
With careful coordination, the tractor is freed.
Muddy exteriors demand immediate, bubbly attention. Thorough drying prevents chills.
You're such a good kitty. All clean and fluffy now.
The fresh ingredients keep coming.
MNC is officially on skewer duty for the mixed grill. The final touches on the refreshing beverage.
Another successful collaboration.
Rolling the beverages out to the public on their specialized cart.
Isn't this just wonderful? The breeze feels so nice.
Setting up shop again in the marketplace.
Cheers to friendship and fresh juice.
MCW remains diligent, just in case.
A sweet reward after navigating the park's excitement.
got to go faster.
Thrills keep coming on the speedy coaster ride.
Make sure you join the fun by subscribing.
Winding down the day in front of some wildlife programming.
The jungle cat rests now, waiting for the cool night air.
Baking preparations begin for the morning treat.
MNC is supervising the quality control of the kneading. Combining savory meats with the tart sweetness of pomegranate.
Quiet anticipation.
Expertly assembling the first kebab.
The kitchen is buzzing with evening culinary activity.
Dinner is served. A feast of grilled skewers and fresh juice.
A different kind of harvest, with friends joining in.
Ensuring the basket is full for the juice run.
Oh no! Another heavy haul has hit a very deep patch of mud.
It's free! Yeah, we got it out!
Time to wash off the deep country mud.
Careful drying ensures comfort.
Clean fruit means cleaner juice.
The team is mastering the art of the mixed grill preparation.
Juice refreshment break.
Sharing the rewards of their labor.
Delivering the refreshing drinks through the neighborhood.
Setting up the sales station for the afternoon.
Get the freshest pomegranate juice right here. Made daily, so refreshing.
A successful market day toast.
MCW remains vigilant about their friends.
Time for park fun before heading to the evening camping trip. This is so much fun! Look how high we are! I love the music!
More coaster excitement.
Don't miss out on the next adventure. Subscribe.
Transitioning from the city fun to a peaceful mountain hike.
Look there, quite a sight, isn't it?
Absolutely stunning.
Setting up base camp for the night in the scenic foothills.
Bask them well, Thỏ Trắng.
They are sizzling perfectly, Mèo Lớn.
I can hardly wait.
Enjoying a delicious meal while nature puts on a spectacular show.
Even camping requires organization and teamwork.
Deep in the woods, searching for forest treasures. Only the finest forest finds make it into the basket.
Navigating the dense undergrowth together.
A fun game to lighten the mood after foraging.
Back for one last dose of park excitement.
Woohoo! This is amazing!
A final reminder to hit that button